In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Freshsales CRM. Whether you're tidying up your contact list or removing outdated entries, this step-by-step process is quick and easy, taking just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Freshsales website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and proceed with signing in. Make sure to use the correct credentials associated with your Freshsales account. Upon logging in, your next step is to access the Contact section. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll see a panel with various options. Click on Contacts to open a list of all your stored contacts. This is where you'll be selecting the contact you wish to delete. In the list of contacts, scroll through or use the search bar to locate the specific contact you want to remove. Once you've found the contact, click the checkbox next to their name to highlight and select them. This action indicates which contact you're preparing to delete, ensuring no accidental deletions occur. With the contact selected, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see several options appear. One of them will be Delete. Click that button. This initiates the deletion process, but you're not quite done yet. For security reasons, Freshsales requires a confirmation code before a contact can be permanently deleted. This serves as a safeguard against unintended deletions. Type in the confirmation code provided to verify your action. By doing this, you ensure that the deletion process is deliberate and confirm that you indeed wish to remove this contact from your records. Finally, a prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the contact. To complete the process, click on Yes. This step finalizes the deletion, and the contact will be removed from your Freshsales CRM. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted a contact from Freshsales CRM. Remember, once a contact is deleted, it's permanent. So always double-check to ensure you're removing the correct entry. Keeping your contact list up to date and accurate is essential for effective CRM management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to content like this. See you in the next video.